I've stared down barrels and rolled the dice. I've danced with shadows, paid the price. I've heard the devil whisper in the wind, but I won't fall, I won't give in. Death's just a rider, I've seen his grin. I felt his breath on my weathered skin. But a wasted life, that's a curse I won't take. A road to regret, a trail I won't make. The grave don't scare me half as much as the night where a man grows old but don't fight his fight. I'll walk that line, I won't bend or break. I'll carve my name in love, that's the mark I'll make. No marble stone, no fortune or fame, I'll leave my kin proud when they speak my name. The grave don't scare me, no, death don't win. It's a wasted life that cuts deeper within. I've seen men chasing golden shine, only to lose their souls in time. I don't need statues, I don't need cheers, I just need truth that outlives the years. Every scar I've carried, every drop I've bled, is the fire that burns